I collect these pics, and just to show you, we have different ways to close this type of programs. On Windows 10 you can right click and see the task manager, but in Windows 11 you cannot see it, and you will see that taskforce setting. That's not good, and you cannot find it with this way. You have to use Ctrl Shift and Escape to see the task manager. Okay, for example, right now I'm going to see all of the apps, and this is the app that crashed. By pressing the end task, this app closed, and if it didn't close, you can right click, then again press end task. If again it didn't close, you have to go to the details, and in here find, for example, Telegram. The app that crashed is my Telegram app. In here you have to press end task. By this way you will close the apps and the things that you use and it's crashed by this way. Okay, on Windows 10 you can right click and click on the task manager. On Windows 11 you have to use Ctrl Shift and Escape, and either more your, for example, desktop and other things crashed, you can use Ctrl Alt plus Delete. I pressed it, but I don't know the recorder app recorded or not. When you press this, you will see the button which writes Task Manager on it. You have to press on that. Just this is all of the things that you have to do.